Hello everyone, I'm Alex Gorsky, and I have the distinct pleasure and honor of serving as Johnson & Johnson's Chairman and CEO. We've worked hard to earn the world's trust, and we work hard every day to keep it. We are a company that's deeply committed to ensuring good health is within reach of everyone, everywhere. Johnson & Johnson has been in the news lately about the talc in our baby powder, and we know how important this topic is to you, so I want you to hear directly from me. We know that our talc is safe. In fact, for over 100 years, Johnson & Johnson has known that the talc in our baby powder is the purest, safest pharmaceutical-grade talc on Earth. Very importantly, if we believed our products were unsafe, they would be off the shelves and out of the market immediately. But thousands of tests by global authorities, universities, and independent experts repeatedly confirm our talc is safe. Now, as Chairman and CEO of this company, I take this personally and very seriously, and I know that many of you do too. Now, I want to repeat, reiterate, and reinforce. First, J&J's baby powder is safe and does not cause cancer. Studies of tens of thousands of women and thousands of men show that talc does not cause cancer or asbestos-related disease. 2, since tests for asbestos in talc were first developed, J&J's baby powder has never contained asbestos. Judges and juries have rejected these theories, and appellate courts have overturned jury decisions that came down the other way. 3, J&J has cooperated fully with the US FDA and other global regulators, providing them with all the information they requested over decades. We've also made all our cosmetic talc lines and processed talc available to regulators for testing. Regulators have tested both, and they have always found our talc to be asbestos-free. Now, at the end of the day, this is about truth and integrity. We are confident in the safety of Johnson's baby powder, and we stand behind our products. We will continue to defend our brands, our company, and our commitment to consumers.
Sorry, I was recording that.